Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about Kinza Finance airdrop. Okay, so this particular project is backed by Binance. Actually Binance Lab have invested in this project, and in the August month Binance made a tweet. Okay, and in that four projects they shared that they have invested in, and we have seen about KiloX project, and in this video we are going to see about this Kinza Finance. Okay, and recently in November 1 they announced it. Okay, so their airdrop point system. Okay, so the more number of airdrop points you increase, that number will be soon converted into your airdrop. Okay, so when the time they list the token, you will be receiving airdrop according to the points that you have generated. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can increase your point and everything, and 5% they are going to allocate for the airdrop. Okay, so that means literally 5 million token they're gonna give in the airdrop. And one more main thing, there is no vesting, guys. That means so how much ever you're getting in the airdrop, they're gonna give you right away. So here you can see they have vesting for community emission. They have 4-year vesting investors, they have 1-year cliff and 3-year linear vesting and all. But for the airdrop we don't have any vesting. Okay, so in this video we're going to see how to get this airdrop only. So before we start our video, if this is the first time listening to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit the like button and continue watching it. By clicking the like button means a lot to me, and it hardly takes 1 second of your time to hit the like button. Okay, and I hope you are liking this video right now. And this is my Telegram channel, guys. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sensitive information, airdrop details and airdrop links and everything. So make sure to follow me here also in case if you haven't followed me here. And there is one huge giveaway is going on, 5,000 USDT cash giveaway is going on only for our community. In case if you haven't participated here, participate and grab some of the USDT. Okay, and without any further ado, let's get into the video, guys. So first of all, I'll leave this link in the description, guys. Once you click on the link, it will take you here. So here basically we gotta lock our fund. Okay, so if you do lock our fund, the higher amount we are locking, no, that much point will be able to generate. Okay, and here we gonna lock our money. Okay, so that means the investment is needed. So never ever invest more than you can afford to lose, guys. The reason why I'm telling you, it's on the smart contract, and even though it is backed by Binance and all, still it's like, you know, smart contract thing. Many people can easily scam you and all by hacking your wallet and drain your fund and also. And always invest the amount how much you can afford to lose. Okay, don't put all your life saving in this project again. But many of the people are actually locking their fund in order to receive the airdrop, and there might be a chance that it could get listed in Binance too. Okay, so it's very simple, guys. Once you come in, say just connect your wallet, just click on connect wallet and click on MetaMask, and your MetaMask will pop up, and click on next and click on connect, and your wallet will get connected. Okay, so this is my wallet, it got connected now, and the right side you can see airdrop. Okay, so just click on the airdrop, then it will take you here, and here you can see my total points, my base points, and bonus for binding referral points. And I'll tell you how you can do and get this bonus for binding referral. And the first thing, once you come inside here, you can see deposit to earn airdrop. Okay, so earn airdrop points every day according to your TVL. Okay, so that means total value logged. The more points you have, the more airdrop you will get at the TG. And now we have to deposit the fund. Okay, so on top you can see dashboard, just click on the dashboard. So if you click on the dashboard, it will take you here, guys, and then just scroll down and you'll be able to see this supply button if you have your asset in your wallet. Okay, so I'm having $170 in USDT, and even if I lose this money, it won't affect my life. Okay, so this is the small amount I can afford for this one, and I'm just gonna click maximum, and then I'm going to click approve USDT to continue. And we have to do the transaction in MetaMask. Just click approve it in your MetaMask. So now we have to do the approve in a MetaMask. Just click on approve. So once you click on the approve, it will get approved, and then we have to supply it. Okay, and then just click on supply USDT, and then again MetaMask will pop up, and just scroll down and click confirm. Okay, so now you can see, just click confirm. So once you click confirm, your fund will be successfully added here. Okay, so now just click on OK close, and here you can see, guys, now our fund got successfully deposited here. So now what you can do is you can withdraw your fund anytime you want to. Okay, so it's not like you can't withdraw, like you have to wait for a certain period of time, nothing like that. Okay, so you can actually withdraw your fund whenever you want. All you have to do is just click withdraw, then your fund will be going to your wallet, and and then you can transfer it from your Binance account or wherever you want. Okay, so in this way you can see my net worth is $170 and my APY this much I'm gonna receive. Okay, and there is one more thing you could do in order to increase the ADRA points. Okay, so that is nothing but you could use my referral link. Okay, so for example, just click on this ADRA. Once you click on that, here you can see bind referrer. Okay, now to earn 10% more ADRA per the TGE. Okay, so if you bind through my referral code, you're gonna earn 10% extra when they're going to list in the TGE. Okay, so just click on the bind referrer and you can see the referrals invitation code. So this is the code. I'll leave this code in the description also. Just copy and paste it and then just click on confirm, and once you click confirm and it will ask for sign. Okay, so just click on the sign. So once you do the sign, here you can see all done, you have successfully bind, and just click on OK close. So once you click on the bind referrer guys, so you'll be able to see this code 47SEWD. Okay, so I'll leave this code in the description. Just copy and paste it, or else it will be, if you are opening through my referral link, it will automatically show. So just do the binding. Once you do the binding, you will get extra 10% in the bonus for binding referrer. Okay, so this is how you can do it. And guys, the more amount of money you are putting here, the total points it will be generating, but it will be updated every day at 0.00 UTC every day. Okay, so every day come and check how much point you are earning. So in case if you are having USDT simply holding in some wallet, try this method and try to generate more points. So at the time of TGE, your points will be converted into the token. Okay, so their KZA token, so 5 million token at the stake, so you gotta claim whatever is for you. Okay, so try this one guys, it's a important video, and soon, in case if it's getting listed in Binance and all, you could expect a huge amount of return. Let's try. Okay, so that's it guys. In this video pretty much I covered what I have to cover. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. If you would have liked this video, make sure to hit the like button, and if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to answer you. And thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.